What you need to do is to wake up very early in the morning. That is why you are a wife. Wake up very early in the morning. Prepare breakfast for your husband. If I go bite my mouth, because I know if they pronounce all these their English breakfast and breakfast, whatever, I don't care. So prepare food, breakfast for your husband. You go see one day. And when this man come back in the evening, make sure say you pass in food for him. Even though say no give you money for food. There is no how we say man go dey drop money for you, drop money for food for you. When you know go dey comot for 500 or 200 they keep. No be more say you go finish everything. You go see this one, you go buy, chop and finish in farm. You go see this one, you go buy, you go chop and finish in farm. You go say, my husband get money, my husband do this. After tomorrow, you go say marriage is not sweet. Now you go make your marriage sweet. If the guy they give you money for food, they save him. Even though say you are a housewife, listen,